to fix Google Fi billing error on account. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get to your Google Fi, and in here make sure that you're logged into account, and also ensure your default payment method is active on the and also it is on the up to date on your Google Pay too, right? So after making sure that, then if it's still not helping you, then what you can actually do is simply review the detailed invoice in the Google Fi application or the website. What you're going to do is simply get into your account, make sure you're logged into account. You can tap on billing and check the breakdown to locate the specific incorrect charges or taxes, right? So after doing all of these, if it's still not helping, then what you can actually do is try to clear all of the app cache on your Google Fi if you're on the Android, and if you are on your iPhone, then of course you're not going to get the Google Fi application. You'll get into the browser. So from your browser, try to clear all of the data and cache of your browser. So after doing all of these, if it still did not work, then try to initiate a billing chat support. You can actually try to contact the customer service, and I'm pretty sure that they'll actually be able to help you out.